Yo, what's going on, guys? What is up? We made it through a day. Boy, I wasn't expecting that. I thought they were going to try to hammer this thing down like a son of a gun today. Boy, I didn't want to say nothing last night, but I figured, okay, Wednesday, we got to start hammering to try to get this thing down. But boy, they cannot hold this son of a gun down. And they really do not want this thing above 60 bucks. We're going to touch on that in just a second. SmarTrader caught a little bit of a live action I noticed on his live feed. He put out a little short clip video. I'll share that with you guys if you haven't seen that. But it jumped from 61 down to under 60 in a blink of an eye. Just a flash, boom, boom, boom. Then ran across another piece of wonderful DD on the old Reddit mobile on the phantom shares, the fake synthetics, whatever you're fancy, whatever you want to call them, on a monstrous looking number. And guess what? They have to buy all those back. To the moon we go. Of course, we have to. Oh, we're a little bit busier than usual at 11:30 p.m. Chicago, Illinois is down there at 131 South Dearborn, if anybody wonders the address. Busier than usual. You know, we got to check in with them fine folks, right? But boy, yeah, what happened here right out of the gate, D. I thought we were going to still keep going. I hate to say that, but this is rough. I mean, between 52 and 55, this thing just laid there. I'm sure they tried, this here, this here, this here. But boy, they're having a tough time. It's still strange to me, you guys. Give me a comment if it is to you. Every time I log into AMC, I'm so used to for months seeing that thing at $9, 11 bucks, 12 bucks, 14 bucks. To see it at 55 or 60 or the 70s, it still looks odd to me. Believe me, I am far from complaining, but it does look a little bit odd every time I get in there. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's not at 11, 12, 13 anymore. Crazy, but very, very good problem to have, right? SmarTrader, shout out to him. I think in this previous video, he put out just a quick 1-minute video. I'll share this with you guys. SmarTrader, he follows AMC too. He's got some pretty good videos over there. But long story short, I think he was live streaming earlier. He redid this video with an explanation. But up here, if you notice, it's at 60.90, I think was the dollar figure that he had it at. And then from 60.90 down to 59.88 in just a blink. So I'll pop that in there if you have not seen that. But you talk about some manipulation. What is going on there? If this thing hits 60, are they going to dump a bunch to get this under? I don't know. But that was pretty wild to see that from 60.90, $1 increment, just straight back down to 59.88. So I'll pop that in there and see what comes of that. Dark pool, as we know. Dark pool. We're well above 60% again. We were in the 50s down here, some 60s, but, all the activities going on up there. Not much of a change up here in the calls and the money. We know where we need to be at there, right? Oh, yes, Mr. Elon Musk. Let's just skip original video games and movies and go straight to the sequel. Everybody's got to, every time Elon tweets something, everybody's got to share it and come up with all these conspiracy theories. But to the naked eye, does that look like GME and AMC and go straight to the sequel? You kind of get what that figures. What's he doing? I don't know. I like to picture Elon smoking a joint or 6 and just saying, okay, what can I do tonight? And then blasting out a tweet. Who knows? It's Elon Musk, right? Over to the old or tax. Look at this, boys and girls. Short interest update. The main thing here we want to point out, short sellers have lost 1.1 billion since Friday. So that's Friday, Monday, Tuesday. This was this morning. So basically 3 trading days, maybe 4, but the market wasn't closed when Ortex tweeted it out. Regardless, let's say 4 max, 1.1 billion in 4 trading days. Yikes. This here, Rumble and this Bannons War Room, this guy here, I ran across this video somewhere today. This was great. He's got this, I think it's U.S. Marine Ape or whatever his name is. I'm sorry if I slaughtered your name there. Anyway, watch this video. he's been doing like 3 or 4 that I've noticed, this Bannons War Room on AMC, and he had a couple very interesting people on. If you guys have not, I just ran across this the other day, but this was a good little listen here too, with the Marine that's holding AMC. He goes in to talk about the whole movement and all that. Pretty inspiring. It was really cool. And I know I seen one with a couple dudes on there. It wasn't that long. Oh, God, he's got a bunch of them in here. Maybe it was down here. Anyway, I'll pop this whole darn link in here, flip through there, but there's some pretty good ones. I did watch this one, and then I watched another one that was down there. Had a couple analysts on there, some sort of stock guy. But anyway, pretty good. A little bit different of a perspective out there rather than just your normal stuff, right, that you see. This thing, everybody's talking about this evening here, put out, unbelievable, really. Meme stock right here on the whole entire World Wide Web for everyone to read. Meme stock prices may not properly reflect demand, says, keep in mind here, the New York Stock Exchange president. New York, June 16th, Reuters. The price of the so-called meme stocks may be distorted because of the majority of trades in these names are executed away from public exchanges, where share price formation occurs, the head of the NYSE said on Wednesday, right? They kind of just go over the meme stocks, AMC, GME. In some of the meme stocks that we have seen, or stocks that have a high level of retail participation, the vast majority of order flow can trade off all exchanges, which is a problem, says Stacy Cunningham. She's part of the NYSE as well. The price formation is not only reflective of what supply and demand is, she said. Also, in meme stocks, individual traders contribute as much as 70% of the volume, right? And then one more thing down here. I'll pop this whole thing in there if you want to pop through it too. The review will also examine whether off-exchange trading, which is about 50% of the market, when institutional block trades are included, distorts the price discovery. That was from Double G Gary Gensler himself. So very, very interesting. Maybe some naked eyes can read that and say, what the hell is going on here, folks? This one here, look at this madness over here. Shout out to Appropriate Elk over there on the AMC stock subreddit here. But look at this here. Evidence here suggests the amount of phantom shares may be approximately 400 mil. Dark Pearl Holdings have a balance of negative. Hello. A lot. They're going to have to buy back all of these. So the pretty good comments in here. Really good posts, obviously. The bottom line is they're going to have to start buying these things back. And there is a ton of them. Good night. One last thing. Let's leave with this. Our boy Trade tweeted this out here. I thought this was a pretty cool tweet. But look at this one from Mr. Bolt himself. I trained 4 years to run 9 seconds, and people give up when they don't see results in 2 months. Let's hold, baby. Let's keep holding. Nobody's selling this thing. Nobody has sold it since January, February, March, April, May. Now we're into June. The whole entire planet knows about this. We are just fine, folks. Let's see what happens tomorrow. We got Thursday and then Friday. Let's see if we can get the son of a gun above 60. And we will be absolutely golden. We're golden anyway, but double golden, right? Okay, guys, give me a like and a comment, and then I'm out of here. I'll have Lily say goodbye on the way out the door.
Hi, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribing to my dad. Have a good AMC day.
Peace, yo.